Here to receive this air conditioner. So dumating siya like yesterday. I've been ordered this one last week, like 4 days ago, and yeah, we're here right now. See, this is kind of 300 square feet portable air conditioner. So we're here right now to take this opportunity to unwrap and unpack this one. Yeah, here you go. So we'll see later. So this is good as well. And inside the box, we're here. Hi. This is the exhaust. Yes, of course. Needing. This is the exhaust. And this one. And straps in here. So yeah, here you go. So you can just move around. So see, like this has a wheel, right? Yeah, you can see like I rotate it. Right now we have to unwrap the remote control. And here. Okay, so here you go. This saying here, like, do not return to store. Like, this say like, oh, you can do it by your own. This product is made every effort to give you a superior quality item that meets your expectation. If you need assistance to set up operation of this product, please call us for service. So they will give you the quality item. So we'll see. Okay. So this is the remote control, and this is the reading materials, how to set up. Yes, of course. And yeah, we'll see. So this is the air conditioner. So I will align here on the window. So we'll check it out. Okay. Okay. So I saw here a battery for the remote. Okay. Right here. So I'm gonna check it out. Okay, we'll see. So right now I prepare this tape. So I use this tape here to fix the board on the window. So here right now, like, I fix the screw. Okay, and the other one there. Let's take a look. It's here. Okay. So I'll make sure to fix this. Okay. So as you can see, I fixed it up. This one, this ventilation cover with this ventilation tube at the back of this air conditioner. So yeah, so we'll try fix it up. So it will open probably. Power on.